Hi friends, our today topic of discussion is vapor absorption refrigeration system. I would like to welcome each one of you to this channel. Please put your questions on the comment box and we would try to answer on our website www.queridix.com. So friends, these are the some silent features of vapor absorption refrigeration system. These are vapor absorption system requires two working fluids. Absorption system is silent in operation comparative to compression system, and the maintenance is simple and less and as compared to the compression system. So friends, these are the various components of the vapor absorption system: absorber, pump, generator, pressure reducing valve, condenser, receiver, expansion valve and evaporator. So friend, this is the schematic diagram of the vapor absorption refrigeration system, and we see the different components as we have discussed in our earlier slide. Now friends, let us discuss the working of the vapor absorption system. In the vapor absorption system, the lower pressure ammonia vapor leaving the evaporator enter the absorber, where it is absorbed by the cold water in the absorber, and the solution thus formed is known as aqua ammonia. The absorption of ammonia vapor in water lowers the pressure in the absorber, which in turn draws more ammonia vapor from the evaporator and thus raise the temperature of the solution. The strong ammonia solution formed is pumped to the generator through an heat exchanger. This heat exchanger reheats the strong ammonia solution before it is spread in the absorber. This accelerates the absorption. In the generator, the strong ammonia is heated by heating source. The ammonia is released and flow to the condenser. The weak ammonia solution flows back to the absorber through heat exchanger. Now the friends, in the condenser, the ammonia vapor are cooled and condensed by circulating cooling water. The high pressure liquid ammonia is expanded to the low pressure of evaporator through the throttle valve and flows into the evaporator coil. The point to be noted, the heat exchanger between the absorber and generator increase the overall performance by utilizing heat in the weak ammonia solution.
Hello friends, thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel